in 10 minutes.
Who?
Shreya.
Yeah. Okay. Mhm. See what I was explained during the BP configuration. Okay. See the thumb rule says whenever you are maintaining a BP grouping, okay. So where you are maintaining a number range, right?
Yeah,
In that number range, there is two options, either external or internal.
correct.
Okay. So if you give external, okay, you have to manually enter the BP number during the BP creation, right?
Correct.
Whenever you go to BP code and there you will select organization and you will select your grouping, right?
Hmm.
Then after that you will the defaultly the general view already it was been set like selected in the
Correct.
BP role, and above BP role you have a BP number, right?
Yeah,
So that number you have to give manually if it is
correct.
maintained external.
Yeah.
If it is maintained internal, so within this number range, see whatever I have maintained here, within this number
Sir,
range,
you're not sharing your screen.
oh, it is not shared. Right. Huh. So within this number range, right? Within this
Hmm.
number range, system will automatically pick the initial number. Okay, initial number, and it will assign to here whenever you save the BP after entering the all the data. What is his name, customer address, customer phone number, everything. Right? Automatically, it will pick the number and it will show here.
Correct.
Next, coming to the customer account group. So whatever you have created initially, that is a general business partner. Neither he is a customer, nor he is a vendor, nor he is a freight forwarder, nor he is a employee also.
Correct.
Just a general. He doesn't have any his identification.
Correct.
So when you are going to extend his role to as a company view, okay, there you will assign. So what finance team will do here, they will extend it to the company code view and they will assign the company code, and parallelly they will maintain some particular book account, GL account number. So
Correct.
where all his transaction will be seated in that GL account. What you will do, only company code assignment and parallelly the reconciliation account. Reconciliation account is nothing but a whatever he do payments and say like purchasing from the company. So everything will be settled in the GL account. So that GL account, right? So once you save that, so then customer number will be get generated under the customer field. So that number you have maintained externally, right?
Hmm.
And whereas no need to enter manually, even though it is external number, no need to enter manually because you made it MDS, master data synchronization, as a same number.
Sir, but
So
in customer account group, we can make it as an internal also, right? Or it
internal
will
also
be an
make,
overlap. Overlap.
if it is internal number na, so then system will not take run. See, it will not be sync. Someone using, for example, how you are using. Similarly, other also they may use the same grouping in the business. For example, when
Hmm.
you go to the end customer, okay, end user, okay, end user also it is a end user responsibility to create a customer code, right? Not a
Yeah.
consultant. Consultant role is configuration of these settings.
Correct.
But as a end user is responsible to create a customer code. So if
Hmm.
one end user in the A shift, he has created one number, and whereas he has number mentioned in here, he has mentioned external numbers. For example, there is a one number he has mentioned as a 81300. Here he has mentioned as a 81001. There is no sync between both, right? How the
Correct.
end user will identify? Remember that we is the customer. There is a like chances of difference in the both the numbers. So that's why thumb rule says ki you have to maintain the internal and external, then you do the master data synchronization as a same number. Then your entire configuration will be worked out. If you are maintaining external, then do one thing. Here also external, here also external, then maintain as a same number.
Okay. But
And
the
there is no there is no option to enter manually. Even though if you select internal, there is
Mhm.
no option. There is no option at all. Even though
Okay.
if you maintain external number.
Okay. So external, internal means like BP grouping for external and customer account group internal. That scenario won't be there, right? You mean to
No,
say?
no, no, no.
Okay.
Try once. See, if you want to do really R&D, try once. So select external, then select this internal. What will be the impact?
Okay.
As of
Sure.
now, I didn't try it. Okay.
Sure, sir. Let me try. Sir, one more thing. When you say BP grouping, right? How do you define it? Is it like whatever the number which appears in the as in customer? Uh, for that configuration, what we do is BP grouping. Is that correct?
Which one?
BP grouping definition, I mean to say.
BP grouping definition.
Yeah. So the number which creates, okay, the configuration what we do when the number gets generated, that is called as BP grouping. Can we say that?
Correct, correct, correct. BP grouping is nothing but a whatever you are generating the general role of the business partner. Okay.
Mhm.
So whenever general role like business partner has been generated, so that is the meaning of the BP grouping.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And sir, one more thing. The naming convention can be anything, right? Uh, it has nothing to do with your enterprise structure or it can be anything, right, for BP grouping?
It can be anything. It is up to you how you can do whatever may be. You can give BP00, you can give BPIN, BP internal, and CU customer, CU external, CUEX. So
Okay,
it's up to you. You can give a naming convention, it's up to you. There is
sir.
no mandatory that you can maintain whatever you have maintained in the arc structure.
Okay.
Why I have maintained? Because I need to remember, right? I need to
Hmm.
identify what is mine.
Correct.
So which because it is syncing with my company code and it is syncing with my sales organization. So that's why I am maintaining here.
Okay, sir. No
Otherwise, there
issues.
is no any specific reason to maintain same as our structure.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I have like tried to create sales order. So getting an error, no pricing procedure could be determined. So
Yeah,
uh,
that I will show you. Don't worry on that one. That is a only simple one small T code OVKK where you need to define your pricing procedure for the sales area. So there is a pricing procedure determination. It is a combination of the sales area, document pricing procedure, and customer pricing procedure. So those three combination those three combination you are assigning your pricing procedure. Okay, it is the combination of sales area, document pricing procedure, and customer pricing procedure. For that combination, you are assigning the pricing procedure, standard pricing procedure. If that you made that configuration or setting, then
mm,
definitely it will be work.
sales area, document pricing procedure, and
See, let me show you OVKK.
okay.
This is the OVKK. Okay.
Mm.
So, for example, your sales area may be different, right? Here, what is your sales area or sales
NY
organization? Sales
NY
organization
NY 01
NY01
1. Sales or no sir, MU 01 sir. MU 01.
MU
Ah,
MU01.
01.
So there is no anything is there. So you have
So
to do new
okay.
entries. MU01. This is your sales
uh,
organization. What is the distribution channel?
distribution channel is 30 30.
M30. Okay. And division
Division I have two. You can mention like H1.
H1.
Huh.
H1. Okay. As of now, I am maintaining for this. Rest you will
Huh.
see. See this document pricing procedure. DOPP. Okay. Document pricing procedure. You can get it from sales document. For example, Vivo V8 is the configuration. Okay.
We,
This is the sales document configuration. You are creating order, OR, right?
hmm.
So you will use document type as OR. If you go here, double click here, see you can see the document pricing procedure.
Okay.
This field. What is this? A. A is nothing but a standard.
So for every type of order, we need to maintain this thing.
Of course, of course. Otherwise, pricing procedure will not be determined. See, this is a A. A is standard. Normally, everyone will maintain A only. Okay. So here, A. And customer pricing procedure. Where this field you have seen,
Customer.
I'll,
I have shown this, right? How to
Yes.
In
make
in
field
BP.
status mandatory entry, right? So you will get like this flag mark, right? Right tick mark. Where is the setting and where you have seen that? You have seen in BP, right? Customer pricing procedure means that is BP. Customer is nothing but a BP. Okay. For example, what is your customer you have created?
9100
Nine,
000
nine.
91
See, if you don't know anything, if you don't know anything, put star mark 91 star mark start.
Okay.
Okay. I
These
think
are all.
these
Huh.
these are all yours only, right?
Huh. Yes. Yes.
So just put like 91 star. Then click on start. If you have more than 100 customers, then delete this, then again start. Okay. This is the customer. Okay. For go to FLCU 01. Sales and distribution. Here nothing is there.
Hmm.
You are not maintained. Huh?
So I have two sales areas. So you can transfer
One.
like you may,
Let me BP. Let me BP. Start. So let me go here whether you have maintained or not. Change
yes.
FLCU 01.
I have two
So
sales areas. Just you can click on sales area and then
no,
who's there?
nothing has been put here.
Sir, for me also I have created this everything, but now I'm checking, so it's not showing. Like it's, I think gone. I think some have.
I have maintained already
91002.
triple 002.
Nothing is there. Huh?
I have maintained everything. Even Kishore.
For everyone, same thing. Huh?
Kishore, did you remember like we were discussing yesterday only?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sales area was there.
everything was there.
Sir, for
Let me
me
see my.
also.
No, let me see mine because if the server provider if they have done something data refresh now, then you may get these chances.
Okay.
Okay, you may get these chances. For me, it is showing. I don't know what happened, you guys. Did you saved after like entering everything?
Yes, everything. Even I have the screenshot also. Like me and Kishore were discussing yesterday only.
It's there for me, sir.
It's there for you.
Yeah.
Akash, right? It is there for you.
Yeah, it's there.
See, customer pricing procedure is nothing but this one only. Here we are maintaining one, right? This is a one is a standard. This will be entered here. Here. Usually you have maintained one only, and for this you are assigning a RVAA01. This is a SAP standard pricing procedure. With this reference only, everyone is copying from this and they are creating the pricing procedure. Okay, where you can see pricing procedure means V/08. RVAA02. So in interview they will ask what is the standard pricing procedure. You have to say RVAA01. So if you go inside it, double click this, so you will get so many 18 columns. Okay. Actually, this is not mandatory. This is the mandatory PR00. Okay. So this procedure will be assigned here. So if you press enter, and you will get this, just save this. So then you will not get that error. What is that? VA01 enter OR, and here SU na
MU, MU
MU
0.
MU01. Here 30. Here
H1.
H1. 91. It's yours only, right? Retail.
Yeah, yes.
Material,
Material, protein powder.
protein. No pricing procedure could be determined. For example, if you go here, 91006. PP 91006. It is 01. Let me make it.
Okay, so there is a difference. Okay, 0 and 0. Okay.
So let me make it 1. Okay, because I have maintained already procedure. So let me save this. Done, na?
Yes, yes.
Let me. Let me go /NPA01. Start with new. Enter. This thing. This thing. Okay, this is gone. Double click conditions, so you can see this.
Okay. Okay,
So you can delete this, not required. Otherwise, TR00. ER00, enter. This 100 rupees means
Price 100 rupees.
EK0, actual cost. No, why this is coming? Cannot. So it's still 6. EK0. We start again. Slash NBA. Enter. Double click. Conditions. It is not required. This is PR 00. Enter. Go here and write 10 rupees. Enter. See, clear. So 10 rupees is the profit margin. So if you go edit and in completion log, so whatever may be the pending entries, it will show. Net weight is there, shipping point is not there. Okay, this is a incompletion log. So if you double click this, it will be routed to net weight. Okay.
Yes.
Then
okay.
go back again, go here. So shipping point is not there because you have not maintained the OVL2. OVL2 is the T code to determine the shipping point determination, automatic determination of shipping point. This is your plant, 2902. 2902 is your plant, right?
Plant. Yes.
Okay, fine. So no problem. So let me show. So others, so whatever your queries are there, so this Money and Suchita. So I observed you have not been like while defining your plant, you have not been copied from 1710. Directly you have created. So because of that, there is a lot of background setting was not there in the plant. Okay.
Yes.
There was no background setting in the plant. So just now, again, I have copied from 1710. Okay. So you have to make again the fine tune of the your org structure.
Okay. Sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's try that. If it is not working, let me know. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Shreya will join later. Shivani today is not joining. And Shobha anyhow. So I have removed. She's been like she's not getting the time to join. So she will join in the next new batch. Okay. So anyhow, I will remove from the meeting also her name. So okay. So any other doubts, guys, apart from this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have created partner function, but it is not reflected in customer, sir.
You have created partner function.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. आपका बीपी बोलो कौन सा बीपी एनी नंबर यू हैव
Yeah,
remember
6001.
6 series, huh?
Yeah, 6 and 7 series, 2 are there. But for both, I am not able to see.
This one, huh?
This one.
There is no data.
Sir, click on that sales area. I have maintained different.
Oh, you have a number. Okay. Right. You have maintained partner function is not determining.
Oh,
It is there.
Sir, in my system, it's not showing, sir.
मेरा सिस्टम अलग नहीं है, तुम्हारा सिस्टम अलग नहीं है, सेम सर्वर सेम सिस्टम। मैंने
Can I
तो
share
कुछ
my
भी
screen, sir?
मैंने तो जादू भी नहीं किया।
And why, sir? Then,
करेक्ट है ना?
like before in my system, like this only it's showing. Here I ask you like buyer is not generating, right?
And this is wrong practice, whatever you have maintained
Ah,
now.
that serial
Buyer
number
and
is wrong.
sold party, okay,
Mm.
both are same only. Okay,
Mhm.
buyer and sold to party both are same only. You should not maintain buyer and again SP. Okay, both
Mhm.
will be the same categories. So maintain SP, SH, PP, and PY. So apart from
Yeah,
four,
I
those
made
four.
this also, sir, but still it was showing like this only. And there
How?
also
And
in partner function also I changed, but
one,
now I'm seeing that like it's showing in this order only.
Let me
and one
go.
more thing, sir. If it is not showing your system, but it is showing in my system 91005. I don't know why it is not showing to you, partner. It is visible to my SAP screen.
Acha. So
Huh.
maybe server, right?
Yeah,
Maybe
because I have maintained everything. That's why I got confused why it is not showing.
status. 1 minute.
Maybe you can
One
how this
minute. Let me check. Is it the same server?
1 minute, let me check. It is same.
But I don't know why it is not showing in my system.
Can you try once again, sir?
Okay. Let me finish his issue.
Ah,
Okay. Then
yes,
I will
yes.
try. See account group NRC1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
आपका जो अकाउंट ग्रुप किए है NRC1, वेयर यू विल आइडेंटिफाई दिस NRC1 अकाउंट ग्रुप कैसा आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं? Whenever you have created, right, some customer you have created, how you will identify from which account group you have been created? This is also one of the interview question. कोई भी
Hmm.
पूछेगा, right?
Okay.
अगर मान लो कस्टमर आपने क्रिएट किया है, आपको पता नहीं लगता है कि हाउ आई कैन नो दिस व्हाट इज माय अकाउंट ग्रुप, करेक्ट?
Hmm.
Where you will see under FLCU 00 customer FI financial role. Okay, under finance role, so go select that, go to customer general data, go to customer general data tab, you will see your account group. Okay, this is a customer account group. So let me open Vivo PAN. See, if this getting na memory low, leave the transaction before taking a break. It means there are n number of users. They have been created so many organization structure, so many material masters. So then system memory space is very less means this will get. Then what the server provider will do? They will delete the unwanted data. Sometimes they will delete those who have created the org structure, those no, who have not run the billing and something. So those data can be deleted. So server वो delete करने से पहले उसको बोल दो कि हमको बता दो, ठीक है? I will inform him anyhow, but you also having his number means just inform him whenever they are doing a data refreshment, right? So just inform them कि before doing the refreshment just inform us, नहीं तो क्या है ना आपका पूरा डाटा उड़ जाएगा. VOPAN change. ओके, हियर आपने कौन सा किया है, पार्टनर प्रोसीजर क्या किया है? 1 मिनट, वो तो
Same
इधर ही
way, sir.
देखेंगे ना. NRC1 NRC1 ठीक है, तो NRC1 ही किया NRC आपने तो मेंटेन नहीं किया, CSP
सर
मेंटेन किया, BO मेंटेन किया, BP मेंटेन किया, SS मेंटेन किया. Let me go here, delete this. Okay, new entries, PY, enter, save, go back. Okay, अभी आ गया, 4 आ गया. Then go here, NRC1 है, right? Go here. Okay, let us go account group. 1 minute. Selection by contents. Here, account group. Continue. NRC1. Select. इसके जगह पे आप हम EY को होल्ड ले लेंगे, एंटर करेंगे, सेव करेंगे. Done. This is done. Data has been saved. Let us go back. Go back. BP. Enter. 6000. Enter. Double click. Change is there. Correct. Select your 01. Okay. Then sales and distribution. Okay. Partner function. Clear?
yes sir.
Is this okay?
Yes sir, one more question.
Yeah.
If you want to change this number, so we can change this number, right? Like bill to parties 6000 is there.
You
If
can
you
change
want,
this number. If you can change this number, if you have, अगर आपका कस्टमर और भी है क्या?
हाँ है ना सर,
क्या कौन सा है?
6001.
और
The
शिफ्ट
customer
टू
is
पार्टी, शिफ्ट टू
6002.
you can do it, or else
Okay.
maintain 0 here. Here also 0 maintain करो. इधर शिफ्ट टू पार्टी और एक करो. 6001. Do it. Try BP 6002. Okay.
Okay.
If you maintain like this, na. So what is the effect? I will show you. Okay. Just simply /NVA01, enter. NRC1 NA, right? Enter. So we have entered 6000, right? Just press enter. She will get like this. Bill to party में 2 है.
हाँ.
Shift to party में 2 है. आपको कौन सा चाहिए?
We have to select
So
that.
how this will get information? This will be given by the customer. Customer बोलेगा आपको जब भी परचेज ऑर्डर देगा ना, उसमें मेंशन करेगा this has to be billed to party should be this, and this has to be shipped to this address. This will come, this information will come in the purchase order. Based on that, end user will select this.
Okay.
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 Everyone.
So we will get that selection option here.
So you can select. You can select. Then. So pricing procedure नहीं है. आपका same. Again, you have to do the same thing. Okay. OVKK.
Okay.
Others. This is same for everyone. Clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me go. Raj Lakshmi, what is your partner? This is your 91002.
No. I have not maintained for 2 and 3. Only 9000 456.
9000.
91000. 91000.
9100.
Yes.
Double click. Okay, let's now go FLCO00 company code. It is there.
Sales and huh?
It is there. It is there. Reconciliation account is there. And
Yes,
we'll
we need
go
to do
here
FLC. Yes, sales and
01
distribution.
sales and distribution. Again, sales area. So it
Ah,
is there.
look. Yes, maybe that time server problem, I guess.
No, I have not selected 91000 maybe, or I have selected 91001 maybe. So here
Okay.
01 is there. Try to maintain.
Yeah.
Okay,
Actually,
try
I
to.
did mistake. I think I selected instead of 01. I didn't check, so that's why it is happening. I'll change this.
So that's why in
Ah,
every master data, you will have a one important field where that will connect to some other configurational settings. Okay, some other configurational settings. So in that case, whenever I was explaining na, so I have been told that key this is a very
yes,
important
yes.
parameter. This will be used for some other. And even though I have told in the billing section also, I
Billing
have
also
told
I did. But
account assignment.
actually, I got confused. I thought na 1 or 01, it may be same, so I didn't notice. So that's why.
No, both are same only. Just how you will configure the your
Uh,
pricing procedure determination based on those configuration settings. You will be defining different pricing procedures.
yes, yes.
So sometimes you may be provide discount. Sometime in the pricing process, you will not maintain the discounts, right? Sometime you will have a freight. So those kind of scenarios will be there. Based on that, you will be going for the pricing procedure settings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Got
maintain
it.
here also maintain Incoterms. Okay,
2020.
so hope this Incoterm everyone has understood, right? So I will
Yes.
explain clearly. So this is a very important concept. Okay, so this one very means no one will ask in the interview, but this is out of box. But even though, so because of Akash has raised this question, I have explained everything. Okay, guys. So we'll start today's session. Okay. In between, if you have any questions, we'll again discuss in the during the last of this today's session. So let us go OTC. Okay. Order to cash cycle. So as per your understanding, so how the order to cash cycle process will begins? From where the order to cash process starts? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, it starts from inquiry.
Right. Before inquiry, you need someone, right?
Customer.
Before
Customer has to
inquiry,
create. Customer has to inquire about the product, right?
the important is who? The
Customer.
important is customer, right? The important is customer. Without him, we cannot do, right? So the important person is customer. So this person is very important. Okay. He is the customer. So with him only all the requirements, right? Entire OTC will start. So whenever if someone asks how like from where the order to cash process start means you have to say it would be starting from customer. Without customer, there is nothing, right? You should have a customer data first. Then again material, right? Material will come into the picture. Customer is demanding for what? Customer is demanding for your product, correct?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let us start with the customer, and customer will float an inquiry. So he will float an inquiry. This is an inquiry. And what is the T code for inquiry?
V11.
VA11. VA11 is the T code to create inquiry. So normally, whenever customer approaches for the inquiry of your product, right? Inquiry of your product. So think that you are a manufacturer of food products or any items. Like take biscuits. Biscuits as an example. Okay, Good Day biscuits. He is asking for the inquiry of your Good Day biscuits. Okay. So normally inquiry consists of what? Inquiry will have what is that material is required. Okay. And when material is required, okay, how much quantity is required, how much quantity is required, okay, and whether material availability check is required in this inquiry. So whenever normally, so your
No,
system has to check whether material is available or not from the stock. Is it necessary in the inquiry?
no,
No. That is good.
No.
Correct. Okay, because this is just a formal inquiry. Okay, it is a formal inquiry. There is no need of material availability check. So because customer may go for the placing an order, he may not place because it's up to him based on the pricing, right? Not only customer will inquire with your company only. He will inquire with maybe Akash company, maybe Raj Lakshmi company, maybe Money company, right? Maybe Kishore company, maybe Naresh company. So all are the competitor in the market, right? So based on his worth on the cost point of view, customer may decide the to whom I have to go with the finalization of procuring or purchasing the goods. So here material availability check is not necessary. Material availability check is not necessary. It is no need. Okay. And okay, the chances of converting inquiry to order. So whoever may be floating an inquiry, customer will float inquiry with, as I said, not only with the Akash, right? He may inquire with the other supplier too also, other company also. So in that scenario, the probability means chances of getting the confirmation of inquiry, mean converting the inquiry to sales order will be hardly 30%. 30% chances will be there. 30% of chances of probability. Probability is the only 30% your inquiry will, customer's inquiry will be converted to sale order. Just this point you have to just remember, you have to park somewhere in your mind. Okay, this will come in the some configurational setting. This will also I will show you, okay, where it will come. So let me make it as red. Okay, let me make it as S. So and whether pricing is necessary in the inquiry.
yes,
No.
Pricing is necessary.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes.
Who is saying yes, who is saying no?
Akash is saying yes.
And Raj Lakshmi is also saying this.
Tej
Yes,
also.
I'm saying no.
Why?
It is just inquiry. कस्टमर आपको इंक्वायरी भेज रहा है, जब आप
हाँ,
इंक्वायरी को आपने सिस्टम में डाल रहे हैं तो आपको प्राइसिंग का जरूरत नहीं है। प्राइसिंग का जरूरत कब होगा? प्राइसिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड when you are responding in with reference to the inquiry.
Quotation.
With reference to the inquiry, which is the responding document? Quotation
quotation.
document. Then in the quotation, pricing is necessary. This is a inquiry is a just formal official mail or formal discussion or verbal discussion with the customer. He want the, see, I mentioned clearly what, when, how much quantity. Whether I mentioned what is the price? No, right?
Sir, but based on the price only, he will go forward for quotation, right? अगर
See,
आप
in
They will
inquiry में
match with different.
नो इन इंक्वायरी में अपने सिस्टम में क्या करेगा, ये जो ऑफिशियल मेल आपको आएगा, सो व्हाट यू विल डू दिस विद दिस, ओनली यू विल पंच इन द सिस्टम, यू विल लॉड्ज इन द सिस्टम, मतलब आपका बुक में एंट्री करेंगे, रजिस्टर करेंगे, ये कस्टमर ये इंक्वायरी किया।
ओके, हाँ, गॉट इट।
समझ में आया मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ? सी व्हाट एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू कि इट इज ए जस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, ये जो है ना ये मेल के रूप में आएगा। This will come through a mail from the customer. Is just sending a mail to the company. Is sending a mail to the company asking that I need this product and I need this on date. Okay, this is a what material it is. Okay, and expected delivery date. Expected delivery date. Okay, and how much quantity? It is a quantity is saying that ki, I need 100 packs. So this much only will inquire. Okay. So for this, in reference to this, what company will do? Company will send a quotation. This is nothing but an inquiry is nothing but it is a RFQ. We call it as a whatever inquiry का जो मेल आएगा ना कस्टमर का, it is a RFQ, floating an RFQ to the company. Okay. RFQ का लॉन्ग फॉर्म मालूम है?
रिक्वेस्ट फॉर कोटेशन।
यस, रिक्वेस्ट फॉर कोटेशन। सो कस्टमर आपको कोटेशन पूछ रहा है। कोटेशन कैसा पूछ रहा है? बाय सेंडिंग ए इंक्वायरी मेल टू यू। ये इंक्वायरी मेल भेज के आपसे कोटेशन मांगेगा। दिस इज द हाउ अबाउट द प्राइसिंग इज लिंक्ड। So here in inquiry, pricing is not at all required. Pricing is not at all mandatory. Inquiry में, but when the company is responding, company मतलब ये customer आपको inquiry भेजा है, then company उसके तरफ से मेल का रिप्लाई करेगा कि ले लो भाई ये मेरा कोटेशन है। वो कोटेशन में आपको भेजेगा कि मेंशन करेगा कि ये मेरा प्राइस है, मेरा टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन है एंड वैलिडिटी भी है। विल यू अग्री और नॉट?
यस सर, मतलब ये इंक्वायरी खुद के लिए होता है, राइट? मतलब खुद की कंपनी के लिए।
इंक्वायरी इज ओनली फॉर इंटरनल लॉजमेंट पर्पस. This is not legal bonding. This will not have any legal bonding. Just this is a formal entry in your system to track.
Correct.
To track how many inquiries have been received in a month. I explained earlier also, right? Earlier also I told in some like explanation. I don't know where I was used. Inquiry is like I think report. During the report only maybe I have explained this. Inquiry is only for to monitor how many inquiries have been received, and management may ask, so from those many inquiries, how many orders has been confirmed, right? So this I was told in the earlier also. Correct me if I am wrong. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then in response to the inquiry, the company will send a quotation. Okay. Quotation also, what quotation will have? Quotation will also having a this thing. What, when, how much quantity, and here also I can say sometimes material availability check is required and sometimes it is not required based on the business requirement. It is not thumb rule that key here it is required. Because मान लो कि अगर मान लो आपका कस्टमर जो है, so if you are predicting that कि there might be a chances of your quotation 50% of your, like maybe 70% of the quotation may be converted into sales order, then probability 70% chances hai to, then there might be a chances of material availability check. It may be yes or it may be no. It is based on the business requirement. Business requirement मतलब जो बिजनेस ने बता देगा आपको, जो क्लाइंट ने बता देगा मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी चेक को एक्टिवेट करो या ना एक्टिवेट करो, उसके हिसाब से आप लोग करेगा. बट देयर इज नो थंब रूल दैट की इट इज मैंडेटरी. बट फॉर श्योर फॉर द सेल्स ऑर्डर मटेरियल अवेलेबिलिटी चेक इज एक्टिव. बिकॉज आपने सेल्स ऑर्डर पंच किया तो सो इन रेस्पॉन्स टू द परचेज ऑर्डर, राइट? ये अगर मान लो कि लेट मी गो कंप्लीट दिस कोटेशन, सो कोटेशन में ये रहेगा एंड कोटेशन में प्राइसिंग भी रहेगा. कोटेशन में प्राइसिंग रहेगा बिकॉज प्राइसिंग इज मैंडेटरी, राइट? उसको कोटेशन में क्या डालोगे आप? प्राइस दे दोगे मटेरियल का. बेस्ड ऑन हिज प्राइस ही विल वर्क. प्राइस इज मैंडेटरी. हियर नो. हियर इट इज यस, प्राइस इज रिक्वायर्ड. तो प्राइसिंग आपने डालेगा इसमें. देन पैरेलली प्राइसिंग तो रहेगा. उसके बाद और क्या रहेगा?
Validity period.
यस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज वैलिडिटी पीरियड. ये इंटरव्यू में ये भी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. So the important is the quotation should have a some validity period. Because आपने जो quotation, for example आज का डेट क्या है? 2 जून, right? Today is the 2nd June. So customer is inquiring on 2nd June. 2nd June को आपको इंक्वायरी भेज रहा है मेल में, मेरे को ये मटेरियल का मेरे को RFQ quotation चाहिए. Then company ने क्या करेगा? Company what he will do? He will send the quotation on the same day, 2nd June only. Okay, 2nd June only. But he will mention my quotation, this quotation whatever I have sent, this will be valid till 30th of June. Beyond which my quotation is not at all applicable. Quotation terms and condition prices will be not at all applicable because next month we don't know whether the price will be go hike or price will be getting down. This is similar. The terms and condition will be there in every industry. Wherever you go in the business scenario, this is same for all the industries. There is no differentiation is there. Clear? Validity period also very important. Here probability is, so there is a 70% chances will be there. Okay. So any doubt in this? Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Here one more important is there is a output management. Output management matlab email or print or PDF download. So this will be maintained in the quotation. And whenever you maintain a output management, if you maintain as a email as a medium, automatically the system will send to the PDF document to customer to their email ID. So here output management will be active. So normally output is nothing but it is a smart forms, print forms. So what are all the documents will be taken for the printout or sending to the customer means. So normally in the SD, you have to say one is a quotation document, another is a sales order confirmation document, another is a delivery note or delivery challenge, you can say anything, and final one is billing. These four documents will have a output management. Output is nothing but a print or email, or you can say fax. Okay, so this will be there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you have to interact more, please. My request, everyone has to interact, not only Rajlakshmi, not only the Akash, everyone has to say yes or no. If you do more interaction, you will get a very good idea. And in interview also, you should explain like this. Okay, fine. So quotation, it has been created by the company and quotation has been sent to the customer. What you will do? So let me go here. It will be, I will mention this. I will mention this. Okay, let me take this, Okay, I will mention this. I will mention. So I will mention this. It will be sent to customer. Quotation submit send to customer. So now once this quotation is issued by the customer, what customer will do? Customer, okay, he read that, just assume that the customer has agreed the everything. He has mentioned the, okay, I'm okay with the whatever your quotation has been received. I'm okay with the terms and condition, and you may go for the, okay, sales order. How we will confirm? By sending a purchase order. Okay, in response to the quotation, what customer will do? Customer will send a purchase order here. Okay, here what he will do? He will send a purchase order. PO. Sometimes, okay, let me go PO. So then I will explain another one document. Okay. So here. Based on this PO, customer PO, I will mention better customer PO. Okay. So customer PO will have same. So what is the material is required and when it is required and how much quantity will be there, how much quantity is required, and other terms and condition, maybe payment terms, delivery terms, right? So and even though PO validity also he will mention. Okay. He will also use the output management. Maybe he may send through email or he may send to the hard copy of the print document by courier or some whatever maybe. He also use the output management. Okay, here, so in reference to the customer PO, you are going to punch or enter the sales order. Who will enter? The sales team member. Sales team guy will do the sales order creation. VA01 is the T code. VA01 is the T code. So whenever customer has sent a PO, with reference to that PO, the company will create a sales order. Okay. And one more important is sometimes customer may send a PO also. Otherwise, if the customer wants a long-term contract. Long-term contract is nothing but a, so I will mention customer PO. I will say long-term contract. It is simply contract only. It is contract. Contract only. Contract is nothing but a, you know what is contract, right? Or
Yes, sir.
what
Yes,
is
sir.
contract?
It is agreement between two parties.
Exactly. It is a agreement between the two parties. So in SD we call it as a sales and purchase agreement. We call it as a sales and purchase agreement. Normally in industrial terminology, in the sales and marketing point of view, it is called as a sales and purchase agreement. So this sales and purchase agreement is nothing but a contract. Okay. Even though if you have contract also, you are going to create a contract. A contract. So in with reference to the contract, again, you are going to create a sales order. So if you are creating a sales order against the contract will have a long-term contract. It is having a validity of the contract. For example, how this quotation is having validity, this will have a long-term contract from 0 to 06 2025 to maybe think that it is a 1 year contract. 1 year contract is 01 06 2026. And customer has negotiated with the company based on this long-term contract, because he is assuring, customer is giving a guarantee to company. I am going to buy a 1 lakh quantity of your biscuit products, or he may give, I will give a business for the entire year of 50 lakhs turnover. 50 lakhs turnover of value contract to you, so that please offer me with a 15% of discount for every order on the basic price. This is how the dealing will happen with the customer and the company. So if there is a long-term contract, so there is also a conversion of contract to sales order. If there is a short-term order, he may go with the purchase order. Purchase order, for every order, he has to give the purchase order. So that is a additional burden for the customer, and even though additional burden for the company also. If you have a contract, what you will do? Simply you are creating a release orders. If it is a contract, there is a, we call it as a release orders. You will use the same document number, contract order number, and you are creating a new sales order. But contract, the document will have all the pricing, everything will be there. So no need to again maintain in the sales order. So that is the one of the advantage of the contract. Any doubt?
Sir, there are two types of contract, right? One quantity based and another amount based.
So that's why I have mentioned here. He may assure quantity of 1 lakh quantity, or he may assure a value of 50 lakhs rupees. Whenever I was explaining, so I have taken the two names also. One is a quantity, another is a value. Clear?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
And this will be there. Don't worry. We have a separate topic on the contract. So whatever the standard sales business process is there, so in which we have a quantity contract and value contract. Both the process we will see. So how the release order will be created against contract, we can see. Okay. So hope this is clear, right?
Sir, one question is there. Sir, that you are saying this customer PO, right? So that entry will do in SAP or not?
Which one? Customer PO.
Customer PO.
So customer PO normally he will send either through mail or maybe in hard copy also he may send. Okay. So both the option will be there. Whereas as a sales team member, what he will do in reference to the purchase order, in reference, it is a nothing but it is one just hard copy. Like that key, you will take the printout of that purchase order when you receive the purchase order copy. So against that sales team member, one means end user, what he will do, he will enter the sales order. How he will enter? Normally he will go here as I shown, right? As I shown in the VA01. So just he will enter the customer name, okay, in customer reference. So now maybe it is logged off because already timed out, right? So long term we are keeping open. Yes. Okay, meanwhile, if this comes now, let me go. Okay, from here to, okay, from here, okay, and from here till PO, okay, till PO or sales contract, okay. This process is called as a pre-sales process. Just 1 minute. Okay, sorry guys. Is it hello?
You're
Sir,
not
your
audible.
voice is not audible.
Now is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So from till inquiry to till the contract or purchase order, it is called as a pre-sales process. Okay, before creating the sales order, whatever it is there, it will be called as a pre-sales process. Okay, now let me So where PO number you are entering.
Sir, one more doubt.
हाँ बोलिए
Sir,
बोलिए.
what MM people create purchase requisition and purchase order? That is different, huh?
See, that is
Or
again,
it is
you
similar?
think about the two department within a same company, right?
Mm-hmm.
Two department within the same company is totally different. Okay. This is called as a customer PO. This is called as a customer PO. Whatever within the
Okay.
company it is creating, that is a company PO. You are sending a PO to your supplier, right?
Okay, got it. Mm-hmm.
You are sending a PO to your supplier for the supply of raw materials. Got it?
Yes, sir.
No, no.
See,
No, sir, it's
that
not true.
PO is different, this PO is different. Don't don't combine each terminology here. Here it is a customer. Customer is doing a product from your end, means what he is supposed to submit to you. He is supposed to submit purchase order, right? Purchase order
Correct.
also, it is a legal document. Okay, purchase order is also, it is a legal document. It is having a legalized terms and conditions. Whatever may be the terms and conditions is there, it is mutually agreed between the customer and the company. आपको कंपनी इंक्वायरी कर रहा है, देन आपने कोटेशन भेज रहा है, कोटेशन अग्री हो गया है, उसके बाद कोटेशन अग्री होने के बाद कस्टमर क्या भेजेगा आपको? हाउ वी विल
Purchase.
कंफर्म कस्टमर ऑर्डर? बाय सेंडिंग ए कस्टमर पीओ.
Okay.
करेक्ट?
Mm.
ये बाहर का बंदा है. दिस इज आउटसाइड पर्सन, is not at all related to the company here. Okay, this is separate entity. Here
Okay.
this is separate entity. बट मान लो आपका एंटिटी में, मतलब जो आपका खुद का कंपनी में, देयर इज ए सेपरेट एमएम सेक्शन, मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट मींस प्रोक्योरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, परचेजिंग डिपार्टमेंट. Then
Mm-hmm.
that purchasing department, if they are sending purchasing order to the vendor or supplier for different material requirement. For example, आपने ये प्रोडक्शन, अभी ये आपने ऑर्डर किसके लिए ले रहा है? कस्टमर को, आपको बिस्किट के लिए ले रहा है, करेक्ट?
Correct.
आपने बिस्किट्स के लिए ले रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वंस यू पंच द ऑर्डर, इट विल गो फॉर द अवेलेबिलिटी चेक, एटीपी, अवेलेबल टू प्रॉमिस. मतलब you are promising your customer, I am going to deliver 100 packs of biscuit so and so date. For example, okay, here ATP check बोले तो available to promise, available to promise. So what, for example, customer has ordered a 500 quantity something. Okay, 500 quantity. आपको 500 क्वांटिटी का ऑर्डर पीओ में मेंशन किया है. देन एटीपी क्या करेगा? आपको बोलेगा कि भाई, सो आई डू नॉट हैव एनी स्टॉक एज ऑफ नाउ. दिस एटीपी सेज, एटीपी सेज आई डू नॉट हैव एज ऑफ नाउ स्टॉक, आई हैव ओनली 100 quantity stock, 100 quantity stock, so that I am going to deliver today date only. Okay, rest 400 quantity will be produced and will be supplied later on 20th June. So this is the functionality of the available to promise. So automatically in system, if you made ATP check active, system will automatically determine the delivery schedule dates. So there are a lot of parameter will be there. Okay. So ATP check, what it will check? It will check the raw material availability also. Raw material availability. If raw material available, then it will go for the production orders. Production orders. Production order means whether production are in pipeline. Whether this biscuit production are in pipeline, that also it will check. If raw material is not available, for example, आपके पास ओके, कैश्यू नहीं है, कैश्यू नहीं है, और शुगर नहीं है, और वीट भी नहीं है, then what you will do, what your company will do, who is the responsible person to bring this product?
Materials management.
Material management.
Guy, right? Guy is nothing but a procurement guy.
Correct.
Then this procurement guy will create a purchase order, and this purchase order will go to your third party vendor, means normal vendor, not third party vendor, it is normal, it is a vendor, supplier, those who are supplying these products. Okay. Vendor or supplier. Now this PO is different. Clear?
Yeah.
Hope Rajalakshmi, this is also clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये पीओ को आप ये पीओ को डोंट कंपेयर, इट इज टोटली डिफरेंट. आपके पास कैसा रॉ मटेरियल नहीं है, सिमिलरली इसके पास फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट का स्टॉक नहीं है, so he is not having a finished product stock, whereas his end customers, end customer मतलब डेली जो कंज्यूम करते हैं ना, मेरा आपका जैसा आदमी लोग, वो ऑलरेडी दुकान को आ रहा है. See, they are approaching to his business location and they are asking the demanding of the good day biscuits, whereas this customer is not having a good day stock. So then he will send the PO to the company asking them ki, buy, please send me 500 quantity of biscuit packs. But when company sees the stock, okay, when company has observed the stock, check, they found only 100 quantity availability, whereas 400 quantity is not there. So then whenever the end user, like sales team guy, creates a sales order, he found that 100 quantity stock only available. Now I can able to supply immediately on today date. Rest will be, it will be automatically, delivery has been scheduled on 26/2025 based on this ATP check. ATP is a separate topic. I will explain you separate how it will check. Okay. So as of now, just understand that key ATP is a one of the functionality in the sales and distribution process. So it will check it will stock and it will promise to the particular delivery date. So based on this only, your sales order, whenever you are sending a sales order copy, it will be there with the quantity and delivery date. This information will be going to customer. Based on that, he will make a separate plan. He will inform to his end customer. So now 100 quantity today I'm getting, don't worry, you can come by evening, you will get a good day stock. And rest, if you come early, I can provide you the 100 quantity. Otherwise, again, you have to wait till 20th June. This is how the communication will happen between the company to customer and customer to end customer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Others, if you are confusion, so let me ask question. Okay, I will clarify your doubts here only. There should not be a confusion.
Sir, this company PO is we are okay, but the customer PO still I have confused, sir. I will make that entry in our SAP system or not? Just we can enter that name, right, for reference purpose.
See, why you are thinking about the customer view? See, आपने sales order create कर रहे हैं भाई. So आप किसको देख के कर रहे हैं? How you are entering the sales order? I don't know why you are not getting my the whatever I explained about the purchase order and sales order. How you are entering a sales order in your system?
जो कस्टमर बोलेगा उसके रेफरेंस से.
हाँ, कस्टमर का पीओ डॉक्यूमेंट आपने प्रिंट करके ले लेगा. आप इधर क्या करेगा? सो अगेन ओके, Now I was in the same explanation only, again logged out. Now again it is logging out. Both दिमाग खराब हुआ दिमाग. Okay, now I'm logging in. One four. Okay. Now I'm a sales team guy. Okay. I'm a sales team person, area sales manager. I received the purchase order from the customer. Okay, purchase order from the customer. Now I am entering a sales order. So I have used the VA01 is the T code, and here the document type is OR. Okay, standard document type. Okay, and my sales area is this. Okay, press enter. So now my customer is customer one. Okay, and he has sent a customer reference number. Now I am entering customer PO number. So 0001. This is the PO number. How I get this information? Because I have a customer PO document number in my hand. Document is in my hand. So based on that, I am entering this data. Okay. Here customer reference date is I received this PO on today date only. Okay. Now he has ordered my Sony LED TV. Okay. And then he has ordered iPhone 14 Pro. He has given the in purchase order, he has mentioned this I need 15 quantity, this I need 20 quantity. Okay. These details will be available in the purchase order. So based on that only you are entering the details. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that's it. So there is nothing much will be there. You should not bother about the what purchase order of the customer. Think about your sale order. Just customer PO is a reference document. With reference to that, you are going to create the sales order. Okay.
ओके सर. फिर व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग ना कि जो कस्टमर नंबर है ना वो मतलब परचेस ऑर्डर में कैसा कस्टमर ऐसा मेंटेन करेंगे वो सेम हम यहाँ पर सेल्स ऑर्डर में डाल रहे हैं ना नंबर. सो
हाँ, कस्टमर नंबर आपका परचेज ऑर्डर में उसने मेंशन किया रहेगा. सी वेन एवर यू आर क्रिएटिंग ए कस्टमर मास्टर, राइट, you will inform to your company, your customer that this is your customer code in my company. Whenever you are creating your sales order, just mention the customer code also, your customer code of my companies.
ओके मतलब हमें कस्टमर को बताना पड़ेगा तो उस रेफरेंस से ही वो हमें सेंड करेगा.
See, these are all the out of box parameters. Okay, आप उसको communicate करना है तभी आप वो बोलेगा कि वो मेंशन करेगा कि पीओ में वो कस्टमर नंबर भी मेंशन करेगा. अदरवाइज हाउ यू विल कम टू नो? ओनली यू हैव
हाँ
टू सर्च बाय नेम. देयर इज नो ऑप्शन, राइट? अगर आपको परचेज ऑर्डर में उसका नाम है तो देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू सर्च बाय हिज नेम. सो सिंपल. मैं एक ऑप्शन है, मैं बताता हूँ आपको. सो लेट मी गो हियर /NVA01. S/4HANA का जो एक अच्छा सा सस्ता ये है कि फंक्शनलिटी है. सी इवन दो व्हाट इज दिस कस्टमर ACH. let me enter this earlier I was getting error, right? Now I have been removed that error in the VOV8 document. So now I am not getting that error. So gone. Earlier there is a division difference there. Because of that I was getting the error. I have removed. So now company is wholesale, right? Wholesale customer. What I will do, I will remove this. I will remove this. Simple wholesale. See, you will get a wholesale customer. See, if you enter like this, na his name, you will get a customer code automatically. Then end user will know, oh, this is wholesale customer. मतलब आकाश customer मतलब हाँ इसका कोड ये है. So you can enter like this also. Clear, Naresh?
Sorry. Yes, sir.
Okay. And ज्यादा आप इसके ऊपर ये मत रखो. Only this is a document. It is required or it is given by the submitted by the customer. With reference to that document, you are going to create, means end user will going to create a sales order. Okay.
Okay. Yes,
And
sir.
so, and within the sales order, there are lot of check will be there. Okay, lot of check will be there. Let me mention what are all the checking parameters. Checking parameters within the sales document. Okay, what are all those? Okay, one is a credit check. आप क्रेडिट चेक करोगे कस्टमर का क्या आउटस्टैंडिंग है, करेक्ट. सो कस्टमर का अगर वो आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सीड हो रहा है, आपने क्रेडिट दिया है कस्टमर को 1 लाख तक, 1 लाख रुपीस तक आपने कस्टमर को क्रेडिट दिया है. इफ कस्टमर्स already he is having outstanding of 1 lakh rupees, again if he is providing, he is sending a order for the supply of goods, okay, then whenever you are creating a sales order, your sales order will throw an error saying that the credit is exceeded, this customer credit limit is exceeded. How this will check? This is also one of the checking parameter, right?
Yes, sir.
And there will be a delivery block and billing block, right? So these are all the checking parameters. If it is exceeding, even though system allows to create a sales order, so this is also again based on the how clients wants the blockage. बोलेगा कि कस्टमर मतलब clients बोलेगा, business user बोलेगा, no problem, even though if it exceeds the credit limit, let me create the sales order, okay, and do the delivery block. जब तक वो पैसा नहीं देगा, you cannot able to deliver, means you cannot able to create the delivery. Otherwise, delivery create कर दो, no problem. This billing will not be happen until unless he make the payment. This is also 2 parameters, right? So these are all the checking. And another check is ATP check. ATP check तो मैंने पहले ही बोला है. Okay, whether stock is there or not. And another important is incompletion log. इनकम्प्लीशन लॉग मतलब अगर मान लो कि ये सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट में, ये सेल्स ऑर्डर में आपने नॉर्मली पेमेंट अब एंट्री नहीं किया, समझ लो कि पेमेंट टर्म इज नॉट एंटर्ड. ओके, payment term is not entered, then you will get the warning message, enter terms of payment. Even though if you go here, where edit incompletion log, so you will get this message. See, terms of payment is not there, net value is not there, terms of payment is not there. So there are 2 items, right? एक first item है Sony LED TV का, and second line item है there is a iPhone Pro का. So दोनों का details नहीं है. So how you will maintain this? Double click this, just maintain the payment term, then enter, then go back. So there everything is there. Now पेमेंट टर्म का मैंने रिमूव कर दिया, अभी नेट वैल्यू नहीं है. गो टू फर्स्ट दिस. सो हियर delete this, not required. Okay, and maintain the PR00. Here 10,000 is there. I am selling at 10,500 rupees. Okay. Then go to again next data. This is second item. So this is the second item data. That what is that second item? iPhone Pro. Now PR00. So this is 80,000 cost. I am entering 81,000. 1,000 rupees is my sales margin, profit margin. Now check this. Incompletion data is complete. Now document is saying complete. This is also one of the important parameter. Incompletion. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And another important is sales order approval. Approval process. Workflow. Usually 99% no companies will go for the sales order approval. Can tell me anyone why sales order approval is not required? Even though if it is required, why it is required?
No idea, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir, no idea.
No,
idea.
sir.
Fine. मान लो sales order approval मैं बोला 99%. So I said 99% is not required because sales order one side company wants the sales order to be okay created and as much as sales to be happen. Okay. अगर आप so if you are restricting the sales order, then so there might be a chances of delay in creating the sales order, and then it is going to a other process also, delivery, shipping activities. That chances may get delayed. So if that delayed, then delivery, the physical delivery of the goods also to customer, it is going to delay, right? If there is a delay in delivery, customer will have like happy or unhappy.
Unhappy.
So he will become unhappy. So in that scenario, 99% sales order approval will no clients will go for the sales order approval. Means no business wants to go for the sales order approval. Sometimes 1% there might be a chances only sales order approval if the sales order value means one order document value if it exceeds, just example I'm saying 1 crore rupees. If the sales document value, what's the sales document value? This value, net value of the this particular document. Okay. So if it exceeds 1 crore, then it has to go approval of your general manager sales and marketing, VP sales marketing, senior VP sales marketing, and then director sales marketing. Why this is control is required? There is a important parameter edit queries. Okay, there might be a internal procedure or internal control set by the finance department or company. They want to see the whether the price, whatever the price is maintained, whether discount correctly applied or not, whether the price is correctly maintained or not. Those kind of checkup will be done by the higher authority to see that, because 1 crore is not a simple amount, right? If anything goes wrong, who is the responsibility? Where is the control? In that case only, they are going for the sales order approval. Hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is purely financial control because to avoid the unexpected loss. मान लो एंड यूजर को क्या पता है, एंड यूजर ने ब्लाइंडली उसका काम क्या है, उसको खाली पंच करने का, सेल्स ऑर्डर पंच करने का, उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है कि प्राइस का कुछ भी मतलब नहीं है. He is not least bother about the pricing and everything because he is a normal guy. He is taking almost 15 to 20,000 rupees salary. He is not much bother about this. Who is having the highest responsibility? Those who are in higher levels. Because anything goes wrong, the business company will ask only the higher peoples, not the ground level people. So then in that case, how the control will be there, financial control will be there because of based on this one. This is hardly 1 to 2%, I can say. So these many parameters will be there in the this thing. What? The sales order processing. And whatever maybe it is there. So this is called as okay. Then whatever I have shared told now this one confirming the delivery date also it is called as a there is a separate terminology we called as a one more important is let me mention this with this terminology is called as a I will delete this confirming the schedule lines. Schedule lines is nothing but a delivery dates. Delivery dates with a delivery confirmed quantity. How much quantity they are going to deliver and so on so date. This is a confirming the schedule lines. What schedule lines? This is one schedule line. This is another schedule line. So 100 quantity on this date, 400 quantity on this date. This confirmation will be given in the sales order itself. Okay. And this process is called from year to year. Let me go with this. This process is called as a order processing. Or sales order processing, both one and same. Clear? Sales order processing. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So is it okay? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir. You can continue.
Others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
I
can
think
continue.
yeah, because everyone is very much like interested and enthusiastic to see the further process, right? Fine. Let me explain. Think that so there is a confirmed schedule lines. So 100 quantity there is already available. What is the next process? Next process is nothing but a delivery processing, right? Delivery processing or shipping activity, or we can call it as a order fulfillment. This process will next to confirmation of schedule line will be a order fulfillment process. And one more important, I forgot to explain you. Whatever this ATP check, checking with all the parameters, incompletions log. So these whatever issues you are handling now, this will be called as a fulfillment issue handling. Okay, this issue will be handling what this will be called as a full order fulfillment issue handling. Because before fulfilling the order, so you have to resolve these issues. Order fulfillment issues handling. What are all those issues? Delivery block, okay, credit check, billing block, incompletion block. There are like incompletion data entries. Those will be removed where? Here during the order fulfillment process before starting the order fulfillment. So these will be order fulfillment issues handling. Now with reference to the again the sales order, Okay, with reference to the again sales order. So just I will mention this. Okay, let me go here. Okay, yes. This again, this is with reference to the order only. With reference to the order only, you are going to create. Okay, sorry, I will delete this. A delivery. This is anything but a delivery order. Delivery order. So delivery order T code is VL01N. Right. So this is the delivery document. Okay. What you will do here? So this is just a document. Okay. And here also one more important is output management will be there. This is also I will mention here. Output management means sales order confirmation print. That print will be sent to customer. Okay. And here delivery order. Why delivery document is required? Is it possible to create without delivery document also? So can we create billing document without delivery document? Yeah, Naresh.
Sorry, sir. Sir, can we continue the delivery part tomorrow?
Okay. Others, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We'll continue tomorrow.
Because otherwise you will get the overhang. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow from the delivery order to billing. That is nothing but a order fulfillment process. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So within this, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll end the session.
As of now, no doubt, sir.
No questions,
Fine.
sir. No, sir.
No questions.
Fine, fine.
Sir, a question this pre-sales activity, inquiry and quotation, is it mandatory in all business domain like?
Yeah. So that is also very important. Good question. This is not mandatory in all the business process. Okay. Only mandatory when new customers onboarding. Onboarding means whenever the company introduce new customer, during that the inquiry quotation is important. And secondly, whenever company launches new products. So only in two scenario this pre-sales activities mandatory. In other, because as day by day this customer becomes a regular customer, right? For that customer again you will start with the inquiry quotation.
No.
Because already we know customer, we have already a strong relationship, we already built a strong relationship with him. So, and even the customer knows about the company and value of the products and what is the product chemistry and quality, everything is knows, right? So, and all terms and condition knows to customer. So again, he is also not going to float an inquiry. He knows all the information. If he knows all the information, why he again is going for the inquiry and quotation? He directly placing a purchase order. And with reference to the purchase order, you are starting with the sales order, delivery, billing. That's it.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, in drop shipment scenario, see, based on the sales order, and we change the item category, right? From that, we create a PR and PO. Sir, how it is different from this particular sales order?
See that drop shipment scenario that is having a different control. Where is the control for the drop shipment? It will be in the schedule line category, right?
Okay. Yeah, correct, correct.
So
Item category.
schedule line category, the drop shipment will not have a delivery activation. So where it will be
Correct.
there? If you go Vivo V6, okay, Vivo V6 slash N Vivo V6.
You're not sharing your screen, sir.
Sorry, I stopped it right. Drop shipment is nothing but a third party sales. Okay, as I explained
Okay.
earlier, it is a third party sales. So drop shipment, okay, third party sales, trading sales. So all the names are one and same. Okay. So
Okay.
don't be confused. So if interviewer asks what is the drop shipment, what is the third party sales, what is the trading sales means, you have to explain the same scenario.
Okay.
So drop means the vendor will drop the product to customer place. That is the meaning of drop shipment.
Okay. Yeah. Let's take an example of Zomato, right?
See Vivo V6. So for third party or drop shipment, the schedule line category will be CS. Okay.
Okay.
If you go CS, see here item relevant for delivery is not active. Why this
Okay.
is not active? Because here my company is not producing their product. For example, I am a manufacturer of the tire. Sorry, my company is Tata Motors. I explained earlier this. I am a car manufacturer. Okay. Whenever I sell my first car, the car will have a tires, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Tires and both stepney also, one spare tire also it is having. But whereas customer, customer is nothing but a dealer. Dealer again, so he got a complaint from the someone wants to join Kishore. Okay. So this dealer has complaint from the end customer. End customer matlab abhi मान लो कि Akash is a dealer. Okay.
Mhm.
Akash is purchasing a cars from the Tata Motors and he is selling to end customer. I am the end customer. Here dealer is Akash and Arvind is a end customer.
Yeah.
And Akash is not only dealer, he is a dealer come service provider. You are having a service also, right? How
Correct.
you the bike dealers will have a service center, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, car will also have a service centers. So this me, I am complaining to the Akash because I know Akash. I don't know the Tata Motors because I do not
Correct.
have direct relationship with the Tata Motors. Here, I will complain to Akash. Akash, so you have given the 5 years warranty, whereas my tires having a poor quality, okay, and it's already having a many cracks, okay. Then what you will do? You are complaining to your dealer. Dealer again he will send it to the service center. Okay, service center they find that there is no stock of tires.
Yeah.
So in that case, what he will do, he will inform to the, he will give a purchase order to the Tata Motors. Okay, he will give a purchase order to the Tata Motors. So saying that he, so I need a one tire. Okay, I need a one tire of particular. Okay, I need a, he is placing a order. Who? This fellow, Akash.
Yeah.
Akash placing an order. PO for tires. Okay. And this Tata Motors, okay, saying that कि आकाश मेरे को टायर चाहिए बोल के टाटा मोटर्स को बोलेगा, but this has to be delivered to directly Arvind,
Correct.
not to me. Delivery of tire. Then Arvind will receive a tire from the Tata Motors directly, even though there is no relationship, because whenever Tata Motors create a sales order, okay, his sales item category will be a TAS, okay, item category, and line category will be CS. This CS will what will do, because company will, okay, company is not having a stock. Okay, company is not having a stock. Then what he will do, this Tata manufacturer, he will not having a stock. How he will deliver? Tata will not deliver here. Akash, you have to say Tata will divert this sales order to a Apollo tire manufacturing company. Correct?
Yeah.
This is a Apollo tires. Even though Akash is sending a PO to Tata Motors will not supply a tire to Akash, even though Arvind also. Okay. What Tata Motors will do, Tata Motors will create a sales order. So in the back end, based on this setting, so he or she, order type NB. NB is a purchase requisition. And
Correct.
item category 5 and account assignment category Y. These three parameter will create a for PR and PO.
Yeah.
PR and PO will be created automatically. So this company, Tata Motors, will send a PO to Apollo Tires. Then Apollo Tires will supply the material to Akash or Arvind. So whomsoever this Akash wants, because Akash is a purchase order provider.
Correct.
So this is a draw shipment, and in this, Tata Motor is not creating a delivery document. Why? Because he doesn't have a stock and he's not taking the product to his custody. Directly he's sending from the Apollo Tires. So
Yeah.
delivery is not required. Delivery document is not required for the Tata company. Delivery document is required for the Apollo Tires. This delivery document will be sent directly to the Akash from the Apollo Tires. So because of this, delivery is not required.
Okay. And we directly go for billing, right? Then.
And directly billing will be based on the order related billing. See, if
Yeah.
you see the CS and CN, CN is the standard schedule item category. So here you have to observe item relevant for delivery. If it is active means the company is going to create a delivery document. If it is not active means there is no delivery creation.
Correct.
Both kirkira yaar. Such no, it is frustrating, right? In between, if it is logging off, even though 1 minute.
You can inform to service providers, sir.
Earlier it was within 1 minute also it is getting log off. So CS is not there. If you go
Yeah.
CN, see
Yeah.
And there is no NB, right? Item category 5 and account assignment category as X or Y, whatever may be.
Correct.
And one more important, there is a goods movement here there. Okay. Here in CS, there is no goods movement.
Hmm.
Hello?
Yeah, you're audible.
Clear? Hope this is clear, Akash.
Sorry, I was talking on mute, sir. Yes, it is clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Chalo, because my another student, because other batch students waiting, so I
Yeah.
have to do class to them.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, Mani. Oh, Mani.
ಹಾ ರೀ
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕೋರಿ.
ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತದ ನನಗ
ಹಲೋ,
ಹಲೋ
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕೋರಿ.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ,
ಅಣ್ಣ ನಿಮ್ ಮನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದಿದೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕ.
ಬರ್ತಂಗಿ ಬರ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ರಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಟ್ರಿ ಬರ್ರಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಣ್ಣ ಕರೀಲಕ್ ಬಾ.
ಕರ್ಯಾಕನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಜು ಬಾಜುನೇ ಐತಾರ. ಹಂಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಮನಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ ನೀ ಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರ.
ನಾವೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ತೋ ತಂಗಿ. ಹೊಂಟೇನಿ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನ ಯಲಹಂಕದಾಗ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅಯ್ಯ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿನ ತಂಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ.
ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡೋ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡೋ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ಏನ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ರ್ಯಾಪಿಡೋ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನದ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂಗಿ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್?
ಅದು ಆಗ್ಯದಣ್ಣ, ಇವತ್ತ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿದ್ದೆವು.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದ್ರ ಸಲಕ್ ಅದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ನಮ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗ್ಯದಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ತನ ಆಗೈತಣ್ಣ.
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ,
ಹಾ
ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಮ್ದು ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಣ್ಣ. ಮತ್ ನಮ್ಗ್ ES ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಮಾಡಂತಂದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ. ಸರಿ
ನಾನು
ಇಡ್ಲಾ?
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಾ ತಂಗಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಹಾ.